Today we'll show you how to send PDF to Gmail. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Okay, first open your Google and open your Gmail like this here. Okay, after if you have the file of your PDF, and after the making, just now go to compose like this and put here your mail. Maybe I want to put like the truth. Okay, I will put the other mail production. Okay guys, this is a mail. Okay, maybe it's working, I think. Okay, and this is a PDF, and I will here now to go to, this is a file, it's H files like this, and go to this and click where is the LEGUTO PDF. Did you see guys? Okay, and now it's now accompanying. This is a file, right guys, from LEGUTO guide type PDF. Okay, this is only a title of this is, and go to send like this. Okay, and now the message is sending, and finally now we send a PDF file in Gmail. Okay, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.